In the name of God who is most merciful and gracious, I am Zubair Khan and you are watching my vlog. Elon Musk now aims at Steinmeier is the theme for today's program. On 31st December 2024 at about 5 p.m., Elon Musk spoke in an angry way against German Federal President Steinmeier. On his X platform, he wrote in English, "Steinmeier is an anti-democratic tyrant, shame on him." Prior to this, he had already called German Chancellor as a fool and again wrote that current Chancellor is going to lose election. He wrote an op-ed in the Welt newspaper also supporting AFD. FDP leader was also duped by him. In his previous comments, he had already praised AFD, this is the name for Alternative for Deutschland, and said that this is the only party which can save Germany. On this comments, AFD boss thanked Elon Musk in a video starting with "Dear Elon Musk." AFD sources have already announced about a planned Twitter space meeting between AFD Chefin Weidel and Elon Musk. About this Twitter space program, Elon Musk already predicted that it will cause many German politicians to lose their minds. After all this hustle and bustle, German political pundits urgently need to understand that this is the age of social media. Everyone has a mobile phone in hand, a device that keeps its owner informed about the conditions of every nation in real time. Whatever is seen or heard on this mobile has a significant impact on the viewer or listener. Elon Musk fully understands the power of social media, especially the X platform. In this era of freedom of expression, no one can stop anyone from voicing their opinions or views on this platform. So far, the comments Elon Musk has made do not fall under any ethical violation. He is highlighting political mistakes and the personal traits of certain German political figures based on his own understanding and intellect. First, he spoke about the German Chancellor, and now he has commented on the President of Germany. He is openly promoting the AFD political party. The policy of silence or non-response adopted by Chancellor Scholz and the President of Germany could cause significant harm to the German nation. The offices of the German Chancellor and President hold immense importance in the lives of German people. These offices must provide an effective and satisfactory response to Elon Musk's comments and the points he has raised, considering the background and current realities of German nation which are now prevailing on the ground. This is particularly important so that the new generation of Germans can also hear the perspective of the current leaders on the objections and points raised by Elon Musk. Similarly, other political pundits and intellectuals should actively use social media to inform the German nation about the facts. In terms of awareness, intelligence, and other human qualities, the German nation is among the best in the world. They deserve to be informed from all sides so that they can decide their future based on the truth. If the current leaders, the political pundits, and other intellectuals of the nation take timely action, there is a hope that the people will be able to make better decisions for their future in the forthcoming elections scheduled on February 23 this year.